welcome to Adventures Hours. I am Vic, and today we will see another natural monument, maybe the most beautiful one and spectacular one here in the region. It's called Eschbacher Klippen. Let's go. And who else will lead us the way but Zia? There it is. So here we have the Eschbacher Klippen. It's a rock formation that starts on the ground and comes up visibly, 6 kilometers long, and it has a height here at the visible points at about 12 meters. This place is beloved by climbers. They come here to practice before they go on higher routes in the Alps, for example. So we have to climb a little bit. Now after we have climbed, here we are at the Eschbacher Klippen. On the left side some climbers. We'll go around. This is quite a spectacular place because you can see those cliffs right here beside the meadows. Reminds you of the Alps. And you can see there some climbers practicing and learning. Once again, the spectacular view. You can see there's a path here. Continue, just go around all those cliffs. Very nice surrounding actually. Beautiful here. Beautiful. Wonderful for hiking. Down on the other side. Here you have some very nice vegetation of high elevations. As we can see just in front of us, a beautiful black pine. There's a red pine, spruces, another very big beautiful spruce, and right here, the other side of this Eschbacher Klippen. And you can see also climbers at the very end. 12 meters high at this point. Quartzite stone. So for the natural monuments, this is maybe really the most spectacular one. I didn't expect it to be that big, and it's really worthwhile to see. Here you can see the quartzite stone. Here we have it in all its beauty, Eschbacher Klippen. Very old place. Romans were here, ancient Germanic tribes, Celtics, Middle Ages. How many things happened here we don't know. Legends. Nonetheless, a very imposing and spectacular natural monument. So after seeing this natural monument, we are going to the Weilburger Kiesgruben. Hopefully we can see some wild donkeys. See you soon. So we're now here at the Weilburger Kiesgruben. Those are former gravel pits and not being used anymore, and made it now a national park. You can find here wild donkeys and some other activities. Regional park. Now it's closed. The information center. We have here a tower, but it's closed at the moment due to the COVID situation. On the right over there you have, for kids, a small wall for climbing. So come on, Zia, show us the way. There's a fence with a gate. We're gonna go inside. That's made so the donkeys will not escape. So let's follow the path. This is a national park. Coming up this hill. Viewpoint. Bad luck today. Normally here at this place you have wild donkeys. But today somehow they're hiding themselves. No donkey to be seen. So there is one or two. You can see them walking. Try to make a close-up. So we're going back. The donkeys that we have just seen, those wild donkeys, are onager. Onager donkeys come from Central Asia, and they have it put here in the wild. There are 5 species of onager, 1 extinct. And it's a very nice thing that they brought the onagers here so they can breed and multiply so they won't go extinct. So thank you very much for joining us in a very quick outing. We've seen one of the most spectacular natural monuments, Eschbacher Klippen, and we were very lucky to see here at the Weilburger Kiesgruben the wild donkeys, the onagers. Please take care of yourself. Hope to see you soon in our next video, and please don't forget, press now the subscribe button. Subscribe to Adventure is Ours. Bye.